If you look over here, gold basically is doing this one, right? This one, the uptrend flag pattern here until eventually break out here. You see, once it break out, you come back, pull back again, drop again. And this one actually create a drop base drop. Another time, price actually retrace to the drop base drop area, supply before you have a massive fall, almost 2,000 pips around here. Okay, so let us take a look at the gold market for the coming week. As usual, what we do is we always go to this top-down analysis. We go to the biggest time frame, which is monthly. So monthly, you can see that gold actually rejected, have a huge rejection over here at the price also of this 45.50 around here. Okay, and then have a huge rejection over here, and then now this month actually still beginning. All right. So after the monthly, we go to the weekly. So weekly again have a huge rejection over here. The last week candle was actually have a major corrections over here. Okay, in a bearish form, right? So let us take a daily time frame. So if you look at the daily over here, so just like Danny again mentioned previously, that this one is actually a significant support and resistance zone, right? So this one is actually a support area here. Okay, once it break out, so create a resistance. Now actually break out over here. Okay, so we can see that gold almost drop all the way down here to do a major correction over here before it actually bounce back up here. Okay, so this one is a daily. So if you look at the H4 time frame, again you can see that gold basically reject twice at this area over here. This one is basically a 4400 level around here. Okay, so it's a first and then second time actually giving a rejected at this level over here. Okay, so for next week market, what can we actually expect? So if gold wanted to go up, okay, if gold wanted to go up, we must first actually break up from this zone here first. Okay, this one is a first zone that gold have to actually break up in order to go higher. Okay, and then the second zone that we can actually monitor is actually the top part around here. Okay, this one is a second zone that we can actually monitor before gold can actually go higher. You must first break up from this zone before you pull back, then actually can go to the new all-time high. Okay, so if gold were to drop, okay, if gold were to drop, you might have the possibility back all the way down here to this zone that Danny mentioned earlier. This one, the strong significant support and resistance zone here, right? So you can see this is a resistance break up, got a new support. Okay, so this area actually rejected based on this area around here. Okay, so if you look over here, this one is actually the bullish engulfing in a H4 time frame. That's gold actually rejected. Okay, so gold might actually have the potential to come back to this week over here, or it might actually come down back to this zone here. Okay, if gold didn't respect this zone anymore, okay, you might have a possibility of rejected from this zone, then you can actually foresee a pullback before you can actually go down even lower. Okay, otherwise it might actually bounce back up from here. All right, so let us take a look at gold market for the coming week. Okay, so if you want to know more, please join my Telegram channel DTA International Academy for more information and daily educations. Okay, so see you guys there.